Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create Telegram account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app. Make sure you have downloaded it from Play Store or App Store. There you can see the start messaging. Here you can see you have to add your phone number. Choose your country firstly. Then after, enter your number. Then after, they'll ask you for the confirmation of your phone number. Then please allow Telegram to receive calls and read the call log so that we can automatically enter your code for. Tap on continue and then they'll send you a code. Here you can see I have received my code. Then it will automatically take you to this page. Then enter your first name and your last name. Then tap on the right button. Welcome to Telegram link. By tapping the personal pencil button, you can they'll ask you for certain permissions of yours. Make sure you mark it or you allow it all as per your requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.